Is your roller door stuck, noisy, or just not working the way it should?
Don't worry, ARI Garage Doors is here to help.
We are your local experts in fast, reliable roller door repairs across the Gold Coast for homes, businesses, and everything in between.
Whether it's motors, springs, cables, or tracks, we fix the lot. And with 24/7 emergency support, we're ready to roll whenever you need us.
Our certified techs offer clear quotes, top quality repairs, and work that's backed by warranty, no surprises, just honest service.
Ready to get your roller door working like new?
Call us now on 0402013245 or visit arigaragedoors.com.au for your free repair quote.